Hey, sophomores, I'm here with our non-school question of the week. Nothing to do with school. Here's the question. Let's imagine this in a non-COVID world. You're at school. You're getting hungry. Not just a little hungry, but like really hungry. And you're trying to decide, Pineda or La Hacienda? Pineda or La Hacienda? So the question of the week is, Pineda or La Hacienda? You may write your comments down in the comments below. Please keep it appropriate. Inappropriate comments will be removed. I think we all need to know the answer to this burning question, that burning hunger inside of us. Pineda or La Hacienda?